Hi, welcome to my channel. I will give you introduction of HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a markup language used to create a structured content on a website. It is the standard language used to create web pages and is often used in conjunction with other languages such as CSS, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript to create more interactive and visually appealing website. HTML uses a series of tags and attributes to define the structure and content of the web pages. Tags are used to identify different types of content such as headings, paragraph, images and links, while attributes provide additional information about the content such as its size and color, or alignment. HTML documents are made up of several elements including the doc type declaration, the HTML tag, the head and body tags, and various other tags that define the content and structure of the pages. One of the key features of HTML is its ability to create hyperlinks, which allow users to navigate between different pages and websites. Hyperlinks are created using the anchor tag and can be styled using CSS to make them more visually appealing. Raw HTML is a fundamental building block of the web and is essential for anyone looking to create or work with websites. It is a relatively simple language to learn, and there are many resources available online for beginners looking to get started with HTML.